Welcome back to our channel. In today's videos, we are going to discuss 5 proven methods to make money online. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to earn extra income, these strategies can help you achieve financial freedom. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The first method is freelancing. If you have a skill or talent such as writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, you can offer your service to clients worldwide. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to create a profile, showcase your expertise, and connect with potential clients. Remember, building a strong portfolio and delivering high quality work is key to attracting more clients and increasing your earnings. Another popular way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services through unique referral link, you can earn a commission for every sales or lead generated. Joining affiliate program of trusted companies such as Amazon, Associated or ClickBanks can provide you with a wide range of products to promote. Share your affiliate links or your blog, social media platform, or even through dedicated email campaigns to maximize your earning. Speaking of YouTube, did you know that you can make money through the YouTube Partner Program? Creating engaging video content and growing a loyal subscriber base can enable you to monetize your channel when you meet the requirement such as reaching 1000 subscribers and 400 watch hours within the last 12 months. You can apply for monetization. This opens up opportunities for ad revenue, brand sponsorship, and even merchandise sales. You have a passion for teaching. Creating and selling online courses is an excellent way to monetize your expertise. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to create courses on various subjects, whether it's cooking, coding, or photography. They are a potential market for your knowledge. Invest time in creating high quality course content, offer value to your student, and leverage marketing strategies to reach a wider audience. Lastly, e-commerce and dropshipping have gained tremendous popularity in recent years with platforms like Spotify, WooCommerce, or Amazon FBA. You can set up your online store without the need for physical inventory. Research trending products, establish reliable suppliers, and focus on effective marketing strategies to attract customers. Remember to provide excellent customer service and build trust with your audience to ensure repeat business. So there you have it. 5 legitimate way to make money online, whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, YouTube monetization, online courses, or e-commerce. Consistency, dedication, and continuous improvement are essential to succeed. Remember, online ventures require effort and patience, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can turn your online income into a sustainable source of revenue. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe this video, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.